So today I've travelled to Wigan. I'm at Dukewell Precision. Now you'll know if you follow us on MTDCNC and Swarf and Chips that just before Christmas we did our £1,000 cash prize giveaway. And these guys, in fact Paul Brierley, who's one of the directors of this company, was the lucky winner. And today we're going to go and meet with him and present him with his money.
You got the money, haven't you?
Oh, I got it. So let's hope he is here. A long way to come for him not to be. Good morning, Paul.
Yes, Paul Brierley.
Nice to meet you, Paul. I'm obviously Paul from MTD. Come to present you with your cash prize of £1,000 that you won in our pre-Christmas prize draw. How do you feel about winning the money, Paul?
Oh, it's fantastic. You know, I never win anything, you know, so everything's a bonus, especially just before Christmas, you know. So.
And is it all spent already?
It's spent. It'll be spent on something on the shop floor unless the missus finds out about it, you know.
Okay, and for those that didn't know, just before Christmas we did a big prize draw. Paul was the lucky first prize winner. He won £1,000 in cash, which I am going to present to you now.
Nice
do you trust us, or are you going to count it?
I'll be counting it, and it's still a bit wet, this, so, you know.
And as you will know, if you watch our channels regularly, we do these giveaways. So this was first prize. Before Christmas, we had 3 prizes. The third prize was a Swarf and Chips goodie bag. Second prize was a crate of wine, and you were the lucky winner of prize number 1. So well done, Paul. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Whilst we're here, let's take this opportunity to find out a little bit more about Dukewell. Let's go and have a chat with Russell.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
So Russ, could I stop you doing your deburring operation there for a minute? Obviously, we've come to deliver Paul with his cash prize. Do you think he's going to give you half?
Probably not, no.
And tell us a little bit about Dukewell as a company. I believe you've not been trading that long.
No, we've been set up about 11 months. We generally cater to the market, but the customers that we've already got seem to want to give us more work. They trust what we do and they like our products.
So only 11 months in business. Is this your first experience of running a company?
Of this size, yes. I was a contractor for many years, back in the 2008 onwards. But
And is this exciting times for you? I expect you're living and breathing it at the moment, aren't you?
yeah, I didn't get much sleep last night or the night before.
What was that, because you were worried about us coming and you not getting half the money?
No, just trying to hit our deadlines is all.
And this is a good example of what you're doing then, is it,
Yeah.
Russ, here? Tell us about this part, what you're making.
This one's here for a medical firm. We've got local to us. They produce about 3,000 of these a year, which is a good run for us.
And what else, I mean, when you talk about your machines here, what have you got? What sort of capacity you got here?
We've got 4-axis milling. We've got driven tooling, turning, 2-axis turning with the Mazak, and we've got another older machine that we tend to use for blocking up.
And you started the business at what might be considered as quite a tumultuous time economically and politically. That didn't concern you at all? Well, it's good that it didn't, but...
Yeah, well, we've always wanted to do it. There's never a good time to stop what you're doing, is to put your family on hold and try, so we just went for it.
And you must have had a projection. You must have thought in a year's time we want to be here, or in 2 years' time we want to be in this position. Are you achieving everything that you wanted to achieve?
Yeah, we'd like to think so. I mean, everything we've done, we're building, we're moving forward, and yeah.
Well, I'm dead pleased that the cash prize has gone to well, I'm not dead pleased for you, but it's gone to your colleague here at Dukewell Precision. So there we have it, signing off here from Wigan. This is Dukewell Precision. This is Russ, who's one of the directors of the company. And his colleague, Paul, has been the lucky winner of a £1,000 cash prize from MTD. Keep watching the channel because there'll be more of that to come in the near future.